Hey, Big Al here, everybody. Hope your life's treating you well. Yeah, live long and prosper, all that. So, this morning, we're just going to do a little bit of a look over the garden and harvest. So, we got this tomato bush, and what I've done already is weeded around it, and I've poked some of it through the fence to hold it more upright. I don't have any ties or anything, but that does the job. Now, as you can see from the last time when I planted, all my beans have come up. Beans are good, eh? They're reliable. And you can see the flowers are coming around. All the seeds have come up in there as well. My guava tree's taken off. The rose bush is even getting new shoots on it. Amazing what a bit of water does. I'm too late. I came out here to harvest. I think my opossum has gotten at these. Something eats me tomatoes. I've got some still, not as many as what I did. So I've got to be quicker, or I've got to feed my possum. Feed him something else so he doesn't eat me tomatoes. We'll grow a shitload more so it's too many for him to eat. But you can see, yeah, heaps of tomatoes there. Hey, heaps of them. Tomato bushes grow pretty big, these ones. So, oh well, that is disappointing. It was about 5 times as much 2 days ago. But you can see, that's why I poked the other one through the fence. See how big this one's grown? Anyway, them's the breaks, eh? See? So I don't want this growing out into the middle of the yard so much. So I'll just move him back over that way. And you can see, there's tomato bushes over in here too, but nothing's ripe on them. That is a, yeah, disappointment, man. Anyway, that's just a short little update for yous. I'm going to get around, extend that garden a bit more, put a bit more stuff in it. Because if it ain't the possums, it must be the binchook, the ibis, or the birds. But with how ripe it got before they got taken, more chance are it's the possum. I didn't feed him his banana last night. Oh well. Anyway folks, ciao for now. You have a good one, eh?